What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for watching and subscribing. We have a great video for you guys today. We're gonna talk about how drivers can now get guaranteed pay. Now, before we jump in this video, we wanted to give a quick shout out to our sponsor, Solo. You get $10 just for signing up. It gets you guaranteed pay, which we're gonna talk about, better earnings, and like I said, you get $10 just for signing up using our link in the description. It does have to be our link, however, and every driver in America qualifies. So in this video, what I wanted to do, you guys have obviously heard us talk a lot about Solo. I've said multiple times, this is the best app, best service for rideshare drivers, hands down. I'm gonna actually get on the website and break down the website. They've also got a really cool feature where you can get an estimated what your net increase with Solo would be. So I'm gonna do that live with you guys and just show you what that little tool's like. But let's break down what's actually a part of Solo. Obviously you've heard of the guaranteed earnings, but that's just one feature. It's got a lot more to it. Simplifying independent work by optimizing your income, tracking your expenses, and guaranteeing your pay. A hub for solopreneurs, seamlessly manage your gig business, track your income, mileage, and taxes automatically in one dashboard. Guaranteed daily pay, optimize your schedule using community-driven pay predictions that Solo guarantees. So it's like having one of those guarantees from Uber just every single day, and it's very achievable. Now I wish this had been around years ago, because there would have been a lot of days where I'd have been more motivated to drive if I had known I would have had at least a base amount I for sure would have made, right? Compare your performance, see who's earning the most and how you stack up with other solopreneurs in your city. So that's just kind of a fun little thing. You can see other drivers that are using Solo in your area, and then you can see who's kind of top of the leaderboard for, I'm guessing it's either rides given or money made. Not that anyone is, looking to be competitive with Uber and Lyft. I wouldn't be proud to say I had given the most rides necessarily that week, but I would definitely, I could definitely see people getting into this just as a fun thing to check to see where you stack up against other people. So let's go over how the daily income guarantee works. This is currently available in Seattle, Miami, Orlando, Tampa, Atlanta, Nashville, Houston, Dallas, San Antonio, Austin. So the guarantee, I guess, is just in these markets. The app itself, as far as tracking and everything else, is available in every market. But most of these companies, and Solo's growing fast, they're gonna start unrolling in every major market pretty soon here. Know what you'll make? We crunch the numbers using community data to show you how much you can expect to earn in any hour of the week for jobs in your city. We guarantee the pay predictions you see. If you earn less over the course of your daily schedule, we will pay you the difference. You cash out. For any day you didn't earn what we predicted, we'll add the difference to your wallet at the end of the week. They're $5 million plus are guaranteed using Solo's pay predictions. Plus 20% more per week for the average solopreneur. That's pretty solid. 30 million plus data points that power Solo's pay predictions. Solo is bringing transparency to the gig economy and giving workers the information and power to earn more. And that was a review from the Rideshare Guy. So let's use this little tool real quick. So I'm in Phoenix. I'm gonna type that in, Phoenix, Arizona. I do Uber and Lyft. Do you track your miles and or expenses? I'm just gonna say no to see what gets triggered when I click that. How many hours per week do you work on average? It's definitely lower now. I don't drive as much as I used to, but I'm gonna say 35. Estimated net increase with Solo, $799 per month. Now let's try it if I say that I do track my expenses and see if that factored in at all. Okay, it did. So then, if you do track your expenses, which hopefully you all do, estimated $539 per month on average. So that's, gonna be over $100 a week. Now granted, Phoenix is a great market for it, so in a lot of cities it might not be that high, but again, you guys can see the power in this. This is a phenomenal service. There's a reason why I am such a big fan of it for that. So make sure you guys check out the link in the description below. You'll get $10 just for signing up, free to sign up. You can sign up anywhere. The guaranteed pay might not be in every market just yet, but definitely worth getting on a waiting list if you can. And I've also seen with a lot of these apps that a lot of times if you email pretty persistently, sometimes they can pull a little favor for you. So anyways, thank you guys for checking this out. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. Check out Solo, linked in the description below, and stay tuned for more updates.